Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Google Photos Library API. This gives you the endpoints. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen so Google will allow your app to request user data. Create an OAuth 2.0 client ID and note the client ID and client secret. Once done, choose your redirect URI and install the Google Cloud SDK or a client library for your language, so you can authenticate and run test calls quickly from your machine. You now implement the OAuth flow, direct the user to the Google authorization URL, and request the photos scopes you need. Photos Library. Read-only is safer for read-only access. After the user consents, exchange the authorization code for an access token and a refresh token so you can call the API later without reauthorizing. Make sure your redirect URI matches the one in the Cloud Console. Use an official client library to handle token refresh and JSON parsing. It reduces errors and speeds development. You finish by making API calls such as media items, list or media items, search to fetch photos, include page size and handle pagination to load all items. Ensure your HTTP headers include the bearer access token and refresh it when expired. Once implemented, add retry logic for rate limits and log API errors for debugging. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is to verify OAuth scopes and redirect URI match the Cloud Console, and that the user granted the correct permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.